divine nature and human nature was necessary in performing His mediatorial work. As man, He is able to truly and faithfully represent us. As God, He is able to truly suffer and satisfy the wrath of God. When we find in Scripture indication of properties of the human and the divine, we must, with utmost humility, pray, Lord, I believe. Help me in my unbelief. Finally, when we don't understand the communication or communion between the deity and humanity of Jesus Christ in His mediatorial work, worship the incomprehensible God.